Grow vegetables and herbs from kitchen seeds and regrow from scraps in. All you need is a pot having many drainage holes at its bottom, good soil and sunlight for most plants. The soil should be nutrition-rich and at the same time free-draining. For this, mix compost and coarse river sand in garden soil. Fenugreek is the easiest to grow. Sprinkle some seeds on the soil and water daily. The seeds will sprout in 3-4 days. Cut the leaves and use. The plants will produce new leaves again and again. Coriander seeds are grown similar to fenugreek seeds. Cut coriander leaves as and when required. They will grow again. The more you cut, more will they grow. You can grow beans like black eye beans, kidney beans and mung beans at home. Soak the beans in water overnight to speed up germination. Discard the floating seeds. Sow the seeds about 1 inch deep. Keep the pot in sun and water daily. Transplant in a bigger pot or in ground. You can grow chili peppers and capsicums if you have a ripe chili or capsicum at home. Just take out the seeds and bury them in soil in seed growing tray or direct in pot or ground. Keep in sun and water daily. The mustard grows in cooler months. Sow mustard seeds about 3 inch apart and 1 centimeter deep. Cut the leaves and use when needed. Ginger, garlic and onions are easy to regrow if you have some at home. Take a portion of ginger which has a growing eye and put it 1 inch deep in damp soil. Keep in shade. Harvest when leaves begin to die. Separate the garlic bulb and sow the garlic cloves 1 inch deep in soil, keeping the pointed side up. Use the greens or wait till the bulbs are formed. Harvest when the leaves begin to dry. Put the onions in soil and use the greens. You can grow coriander, spinach, mint, beet greens from the scraps as shown here.
regrow మొత్తం.
Please like and subscribe to the channel to know when the new videos are posted.